I love how they put the guac in here. Today I have Torchy's tacos. I got queso. I think it has chorizo, cilantro, cheese in it. That's how it looks. Chicken, cheese, lettuce, some kind of sauce. And I'm adding the avocado sauce. Ignore my lipstick. That taco is not dry, I'll tell you that. It's so good, guys. You definitely have to try it if you can. I love how they put the guac. If I can get it. It's literally the best of both worlds. Last bite on the taco. Oh my gosh, that is so amazing. I'm gonna have to come back and try different ones. Bye guys.